Here are some tips to help you prepare for CVSA's Operation Safe Driver Week. Operation Safe Driver Week is an annual initiative organized by the Commercial Vehicle Safety Alliance, CVSA, aimed at promoting safer driving behaviors and reducing accidents involving commercial vehicles. As a truck driver, it's important to prepare for this event to ensure compliance with regulations and enhance safety on the roads. Here are some key steps and considerations to help you prepare for CVSA's Operation Safe Driver Week. Review and comply with regulations. Familiarize yourself with the latest regulations and guidelines provided by the CVSA and the Department of Transportation. Ensure that you have a thorough understanding of hours of service regulations, speed limits, weight restrictions, and other applicable rules. Stay up to date with any recent changes or updates that may affect your operations. Conduct pre-trip inspections. Performing pre-trip inspections is crucial to identify any potential vehicle defects or safety hazards. Check the tires, brakes, lights, signals, mirrors, and other essential components of your truck to ensure they are in proper working condition. Make necessary repairs or adjustments before hitting the road. Be sure to check all required lights and reflective sheeting. These violations are one of the most common reasons for a roadside inspection. Maintain proper vehicle documentation. Ensure that all required vehicle documents, such as registration, insurance, permits, and logbooks, are up to date and readily accessible. Maintain accurate records of your driving hours, breaks, and rest periods as per the hours of service regulations. Your ELD should be functioning correctly and synchronized with your driving activities. Review and reinforce your understanding of defensive driving techniques, including maintaining proper following distance, scanning for potential hazards, signaling lane changes, and using mirrors effectively. Stay vigilant and aware of your surroundings at all times to anticipate and respond to potential dangers. Avoid distractions. Distracted driving is a significant cause of accidents. During Operation Safe Driver Week, make more of an effort to eliminate distractions while driving. Avoid using mobile devices or anything that may divert your attention from the road. Use hands-free devices for communication purposes. Adhere to posted speed limits and adjust your speed based on road conditions, weather, and traffic congestion. Remember that reduced speed limits often apply to commercial vehicles in certain areas. Avoid speeding, tailgating, and sudden lane changes, and always leave a safe following distance. Take care of your physical and mental well-being to ensure you are fit to drive. Get enough rest before your shifts and stay hydrated. Be aware of the signs of fatigue, and if you feel drowsy or tired, take a break and rest. Practice proper communication and signaling. Use turn signals and brake lights appropriately to communicate your intentions to other drivers. Maintain a safe and consistent speed when merging or changing lanes. Use your mirrors and blind spot checks to ensure there are no vehicles in your intended path. Be prepared for inspections. During Operation Safe Driver Week, law enforcement officers will be conducting many more inspections to ensure compliance with regulations. Be cooperative, courteous, and prepared for these inspections. Keep your required documents and permits organized and easily accessible. Remember, Operation Safe Driver Week is an opportunity to enhance safety on the roads and demonstrate your commitment to following regulations.